All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're diving into something huge for any online entrepreneur, moving your entire business. It's a task that can feel just monumental. But what if I told you that you could have it all done for you? And get this, for free. Yeah, let's dig in and see how that's even possible. Seriously, just think about it for a second. The very idea of uprooting everything you've painstakingly built, your website, all your customers, your products, and just plopping it onto a new platform, it can be absolutely paralyzing. And look, that's a totally normal fear. And honestly, it's for a really good reason. Because let's be real, it's never just one thing, is it? It's this whole delicate ecosystem you've built from the ground up. You're trying to juggle sales funnels and your online courses and customer data, all those landing pages, your products, and of course, every single one of your contacts. Each one of those pieces is absolutely critical, and the thought of just one of them breaking during a move, yeah, that's enough to make anyone just stick with a system that they know isn't really working for them. But, and this is the interesting part, that is the exact problem that our source material tackles head on. It puts a solution on the table that, frankly, seems a little too good to be true, a completely free move. So let's peel back the layers and see what that promise is really all about. And boom, there it is, right on the screen. It's a direct, super powerful promise. They're not just saying they'll move part of your business or just your contacts. Nope, we'll move your entire business to systems.io for free. That means all those crazy moving parts we just talked about, the funnels, the products, every last customer. That is a bold claim. Okay, so if you're anything like me, your skeptic meter is probably going off right now. You're thinking, all right, what's the catch? A full professional migration service like this, that would normally set you back thousands of dollars. So yeah, let's get right to it and see what the condition is. And here it is, laid out plain and simple. This free migration, it's offered to anyone who signs up for their unlimited monthly plan or any of their annual plans. So the deal is actually really straightforward. You commit to their platform, and in return, they commit to moving you over lock, stock, and barrel without charging you an extra dime for it. Okay, so we've got the offer, we know the condition. But how does this painless, hassle-free migration, as they call it, actually happen? What's the play-by-play? Let's take a look at the process. And you know what? The process itself is designed to be ridiculously simple. It's really just 3 steps. First, you sign up for one of those qualifying plans. Second, you just contact their support team and give them the details of your current setup. And third, they give you a time estimate, and then their team literally handles the entire transfer. The whole point is that you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting at all. So the move itself, handled. But what are you actually moving to? The whole point of moving is to end up in a better place, right? So what's the payoff? What do you get once you're on the other side, on this new platform? And this right here, this is the core idea. It's about running your entire business from one single dashboard. You've got your website builder right there. You've got tools to build out those high-converting sales funnels. Email marketing is built right in. You have a platform to host your online courses and even manage your whole affiliate program. The goal here is pretty clear. Stop the madness of trying to tape together 5 or 6 different services just to make things work. And it doesn't stop there. It builds from that foundation. Because beyond the basics, the platform is really designed to help you scale your business. We're talking about real business automation to save you a ton of time, the ability to run evergreen webinars that generate leads on autopilot. You can build online communities, manage your sales with a CRM pipeline, and you can even manage sub-accounts if you work with clients. These are the kinds of tools that help you grow without making your workload explode. All right, so we've covered the offer, we've walked through the process, and we've looked at the platform itself. Let's kind of bring it all together now. What is the big takeaway? What does all of this actually mean for you, the person running an online business? This slide just sums it up perfectly. The before picture, it's all about complexity. You're juggling a bunch of different tools, you're paying all these high monthly subscription fees, and you're facing this super stressful, expensive migration if you ever want to change things up. And the after? It's all about simplicity. It's one platform, one single predictable bill, and that huge, overwhelming barrier to making a change, it's just gone. It's replaced with a free, done-for-you migration. So really, the whole story here is about the transformation from chaos to control. And that really leaves us with this final question to chew on. In a world where we're constantly told we need a different, specialized tool for every little task, could consolidating everything into just one platform, could that truly be the key to simplifying and scaling your entire business? Based on an offer like this, it's a question a lot of entrepreneurs are probably going to be asking themselves. Thanks for tuning in to The Explainer.